Starting around 24 walk 2024 Velo explicitly is exchanging at $96 in terms of its last rate with a value change of Zen 53% in most recent 60 minutes, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Velo fundamentally has an exceptionally complete market cap of $624,436 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,426,827 in an extremely huge manner. This, for the most part, makes Velo certainly positioning at 688 in the cryptographic money market, or so they in a real sense thought. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer, and considering what explicitly is the Velo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Velo in every practical sense be extremely worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Velo a kind of wise venture or genuinely worth purchasing in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? Will Velo cost truly outperform its record-breaking sort of high amazingly? These really are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in an in every practical sense, significant way. Velo value expectation 2024 as per the Velo gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Velo cost in a real sense is supposed to in every way that really matters. Cross an all things considered, normal value level of $78, the normal kind of least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the especially current year ought to truly be $76 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, Velo can really arrive at a sort of most extreme value level of $91 incredibly. Velo value conjecture walk 2024. In walk 2024, the most extreme cost for Velo could fundamentally stretch around $64 in an unpretentious manner. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in walk 2024 fundamentally is $57 with an exceptionally normal cost of $962. Velo value conjecture April 2024 the in every way that really matters. Normal cost of Velo could explicitly go to $63 toward the finish of April 2024, which basically is very critical. Velo could sort of exchange around an especially most extreme worth of $66 with the especially least expected cost of $6, which sort of is genuinely critical. Velo value figure May 2024. In May 2024 the cost of Velo certainly is supposed to explicitly be at around a sort of least of $60 fundamentally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo cost can generally arrive at a very limit of $MNCs with the by and large normal cost of $65 in USD in a genuinely significant way. Velo value figure June 2024. In June 2024, the in every practical sense, most extreme cost for Velo could by and large stretch around $72, showing how Velo value gauge May 2024. In May 2024 the cost of Velo really is supposed to be at around an especially least of $62. Fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in June 2024 basically is $64 with a really normal cost of $67, which for the most part is very critical. Velo value conjecture July 2024. In July 2024 the cost of Velo for the most part is estimated to for the most part be at around a sort of least worth of $66 by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. The Velo value worth can in every practical sense arrive at an essentially limit of $75 with a kind of typical exchanging worth of $69 in USD, which especially is genuinely huge. Velo value gauge August 2024. In August 2024 the cost of Velo for the most part is supposed to in a real sense be at around a truly least of $68, which fundamentally is very critical. Velo cost can generally arrive at a limit of $78 with the typical cost of $71 in USD, which basically shows that moreover the minimum cost of Velo in walk 2024 really is $57 with a sort of typical cost of $62, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo value expectation September 2024. Velo cost fundamentally is supposed to generally reach between $2 to $81 in September 2024, while the genuinely normal cost of Velo for the September stays around $73. Velo value figure October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Velo truly is supposed to generally arrive at a sort of least value worth of $72 in an unpretentious manner. The Velo cost could by and large arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $4 with the really normal cost around $74, or so they certainly thought. Velo value figure November 2024. The Velo estimate for November 2024 expects that the Velo may generally arrive at a greatest worth of $97 with a genuinely least cost of around $73, which is very critical. discussing the essentially normal value Velo can sort of stretch around $0.76 for November, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo value figure December 2024. The Velo estimate for December 2024 expects that the Velo may especially arrive at an especially most extreme worth of $0.91 within an every practical sense, least cost of around $0.76, or so they truly thought. Discussing the truly normal value Velo can truly stretch around $0.78 for December, which certainly shows that Velo value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the sort of greatest cost for Velo could basically stretch around $0.72, showing how Velo value figure May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Velo for the most part is supposed to especially be at around a fundamentally least of $0.62 in a quite enormous manner. Velo past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours, the crypto explicitly has been somewhat diminished by 0.7% in its truly current worth. Truly further appearance how Velo basically has a complete market cap of $44,624.36 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $8,426,827 in an unpretentious manner. Assuming that we essentially look at the truly current market cap of the Velo with yesterday's, you can in every practical sense see that the market cap is likewise down, exhibiting how Velo value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the greatest cost for Velo could generally stretch around $0.72, showing how Velo value estimate May 2024. In May 2024, the cost of Velo for the most part is supposed to be at around an exceptionally least of $0.62. From most recent 7 days, the Velo sort of was in very great vertical pattern and expanded by 678%, showing how Velo value conjecture walk 2024. In walk 2024, the most extreme cost for Velo could stretch around $0.64 amazingly. Velo really has shown areas of strength for especially potential of late, and this could be by and large great chance to dive right in and contribute, exhibiting how Velo value expectation September 2024. Velo cost for the most part is supposed to in every practical sense reach between $0.77 to $0.81 in September 2024, while the typical cost of Velo for the September generally remains around $0.73 Velo value gauge October 2024. With respect to October 2024, Velo, all things considered, is supposed to arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of $0.72 in a quite enormous manner. Velo value figure 2024 facts what will explicitly be Velo in every way that really matters, worth in 2024 in an unpretentious way. The Velo cost essentially is determined to by and large arrive at a truly greatest degree of $0.91 with truly least cost of $0.76 toward the finish of 2024 in a sort of enormous manner. Does Velo in a real sense have a future in a for the most part significant manner? As far as value, Velo sort of has a remarkable genuinely potential to in every practical sense arrive at new levels